Prague, Czech Republic, has several prominent, open markets, each offering a distinct experience. The most famous and historically significant are the Havelské tržiště, Havel's Market, and the larger Holešovice Market. Here is a look at the most notable markets in Prague. Havelské tržiště, Havel's Market. This is Prague's oldest functioning market, dating back to 1232, and is a popular spot for tourists and locals alike. This historic urban market is located right in the city center, Old Town. While it started as a traditional market for local produce, today it is primarily known for selling a mix of Czech souvenirs, arts, crafts, and some fresh local fruits and vegetables. Holešovice Market, Prague. Located in the Holešovice district, this is a much larger marketplace that functions as Prague's primary market area, often resembling a massive market hall and open-air complex. This lively marketplace offers a wide variety of goods, including fresh produce, flowers, herbs, spices, cheese, and baked goods. It's known for having a mix of wholesale and retail vendors, and it also hosts cultural events and other shops. Farmers' Saturday Market, now Prague. This popular market is known for its beautiful setting along the Vltava River on the Razinovo-Nebřeží riverbank, and is a must-visit for foodies. A vibrant, down-to-earth farmers' market that is extremely popular for its high-quality local produce, baked goods, meats, dairy, and crafts from regional producers. It's an excellent spot for a leisurely Saturday morning. SAPA Praha, Little Hanoi. While less of a traditional Czech market, SAPA is a unique and large informal market that is essential to the city's Asian community. This bustling market offers a massive variety of foods and products primarily from Southeast Asia, particularly Vietnam. It's known for its authentic, inexpensive food stalls and unique shopping experience. I hope you enjoy the beautiful scenery around the open market in Prague, Czech Republic.
For all my friends there, thank you very much for supporting me. And if you want, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? See you in my next content.